Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Jared Dines. This has been something that has been over 2 years in the making, and I am incredibly excited to tell you that I have a Jared Dines Artist Series signature guitar by Sterling by Music Man. Why Sterling? It is because I wanted to make it affordable. I wanted to make something that I knew a lot of my fans could enjoy and obtain. I didn't want to make something like another Majesty. That already exists. I'm not John Petrucci. So this guitar here is a different variation of the Stingray Music Man, and it is $6.99. This amazing guitar, this beautiful guitar, and I don't just say that because it's mine, will be available on August 21st. And let me tell you some of the specs about it. So we have mahogany body, we have maple neck, and a 25.5-inch scale length neck. Head over to the Sterling by Music Man site and sign up on the email list to receive reminder notifications when the guitar is available to purchase. You can get this only from the Sterling by Music Man site, and the shipping is free. This guitar is only available in the United States for now, but if you want this and live in other countries, let us know where in the comment section. One of the first modifications that we did to this guitar was the tone knob and volume knob are stacked. I have kind of large hands. When I strum, it got in the way, so we moved it down and we stacked it. So now you have more strumming room. Kind of nice, kind of comfortable. This here is your tone switch, 3-way tone switch. This here is a kill switch. Watch. This is what it does. Obviously you can tell it has gold hardware, which of course I've always liked gold hardware. Something about the gold, you know what I mean? If you look close on the headstock, you can see that beautiful Jared Dines signature. So you know you are getting a Jared Dines signature. Another really cool feature about this guitar is it is the only 24 fret Stingray that you can buy. I wanted the 24 frets. I've been a classical shredder. I like 24 frets. If you do too, this is 24 frets. It has locking tuners also, which I believe every guitar in the modern age should have locking tuners. It makes life so much easier. These pickups are the standard HH pickups that Ernie Ball uses, but they have been hot wired to handle metal and rock a lot better, so you can crank the gain and they won't make as much noise. Huge important factor for me, being a metal guy, being the gent god. I kind of need gain control. Link in the description below. It is $6.99. That is as affordable as we could possibly make it. I wanted to keep the quality good and make it affordable, so that's the lowest we could go. I'm incredibly excited about this. This has been over 2 years in the making. It would mean a lot to me if you can and are interested in ordering one of these guitars. If you did that, it would mean the world to me. This is my first ever signature guitar. This is my first ever anything of this type of caliber, so it's completely new to me and it's very exciting. And yeah, link in the description below to check it out. I'm gonna stop talking now and I'm gonna play it a little bit, so please sit back and enjoy some of the tunes. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all.